Leslie here with my daily nature journaling video, and I have with me a tulip tree leaf which I picked up this morning, and it makes me think of the writing prompt today. For my daily writing prompt, I like to use writing to connect to the moment, to the life in the moment, to the life within ourselves. And writing for me is a bridge to that moment, to the present moment. And so this morning I picked this up, and it got me thinking about the knowing of different things in nature. So like when to drop a leaf, when to bloom, when to release seeds, when to grow, when to go dormant. So write about something in nature that has a kind of knowing, and try to make it something that you observe. And it could be anything. There's knowing in everything, so let your mind go, expand. Think about, I'm looking at, there's a vine over here. There's knowing in a vine. They put out tendrils and they move along, and there's knowing in that. There's knowing in when to drop a leaf. And some trees are doing that already. So even in early August. And I just love the shape of this too. So take a few minutes, write about the knowing of nature. And that's something to contemplate all the time. But in this moment, try it out. All right, how did it go in thinking about nature's knowing? I'll read you what I came up with here. A leaf knows when to fall. There is a knowing and a surrender and right timing. The tree has its own knowing, and so does the leaf. They are not separate. The leaf is a part of the tree, and when it's time to let go, they both surrender to the knowing. Crickets know when to begin. Night knows when to fall. It is all a great dance with every being knowing. And, yeah, kind of a great knowing of the earth. So a larger knowing, a knowing of the earth, the universe, the cosmos. For our sketching prompt, I thought we would use leaves. Hopefully everyone, wherever you are, has access to a leaf, either on a houseplant or on a bush or shrub or something. I suppose if you live in the desert, you might not have as easy access to leaves, or in like Antarctica. but otherwise, hopefully you do. So for me, I've been contemplating this tulip tree leaf, tulip poplar, and it's called a tulip tree because the leaf is shaped kind of like a tulip. And I used to call these cat head, because to me it looks like a cat's head, right? Here are the ears and like the whiskers. Why not? So for today's sketching practice, this is a great one to release the inner critic. We're just going to trace. So find a leaf. You can even leave it on the plant, or if it's a fallen leaf, you can take it off, and we'll do a tracing practice. And this is a really nice way to connect to the physical edges and boundaries, or seeming boundaries of a leaf. All right, let's try it. So, tracing practice. Just gonna go around the edges while I hold my phone. It's an imperfect trace, so I'll let it be imperfect. Moved. Let me move again. Here is my leaf and my leaf tracing. So sometimes starting with the tracing is a nice way to let go of the inner critic and get a sense and a feel for something. So don't be afraid to trace. It's all good. No rules, no rules. See you tomorrow.